Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to attack with a katana. First, ensure a proper two-handed grip, with your dominant hand close to the tsuba and your other hand at the end of the tsuka. This provides maximum control and leverage. Adopt a stable, athletic stance, feet about shoulder-width apart, with your knees slightly bent. Keep your gaze fixed on your opponent, ready to react instantly. This foundational posture is crucial for effective and powerful strikes. Mastering basic cuts is vital for effective katana use. The kesajiri, a downward diagonal cut, is initiated by rotating your hips and shoulders, generating immense power. For a yoko-jiri, or horizontal cut, swing the blade parallel to the ground, aiming for the midsection. The age-jiri, an upward diagonal cut, targets lower areas. Each cut requires precise body mechanics and follow-through to maximize its impact and maintain balance. Effective footwork is as crucial as blade work. When striking, step forward with your lead foot to channel your body's momentum into the cut, increasing its force. Utilize small, controlled steps to constantly adjust your distance and angle, keeping your opponent off balance. Pivoting allows for rapid changes in direction, enabling you to evade incoming attacks and create new openings. Fluid movement enhances both offense and defense. A proper follow-through ensures maximum power and sets you up for the next move. Extend your arms and body fully through the cut, allowing the blade to complete its arc. Immediately after, smoothly transition back into a balanced, ready stance, prepared for either another attack or defense. Always maintain keen situational awareness, observing your opponent's response to anticipate their next action. This continuous cycle is key to sustained combat effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.